Fred. Louis. Let's go hunting. Sam, how do I open the boot? Setting up the track now. Hopefully we can get onto a pig. Sam reckons he knows where one is. See what's going on. Still looking for pigs. Dog's interested though, so it should be good. Hey, video. Good. I got. Wait, grab the camera. I got it. I'll get it. Keep it up. Do you want to stick it or try? Yeah, stick it, go. God. Go.
We just learnt not to hit pigs from underneath. Because kind of chased us.
Okay, rustling through this stuff just here. We didn't know what was coming, not one squeal, eh?
No.
But the dogs had it under control, it's good. Would you say 60 or 70 pound sow maybe? Maybe a bit bigger?
60, 70,
yeah. Good job, good dogs. Good boy, Fred. You go
be
back.
a good carry anyway.
Yeah.
Good carry
800
you,
metres. Oh, nice. You.
Here goes Ricky with his big gains. A nice bit of gorse here. Yeah. Oh, it must have grown in the spring or something. It was actually clear when I came up here. We're swimming, boys.
Oh, you got him hitting me.
I'll go front.
Grab that out. Good boy. Boar. Good dogs.
Good dog.
Good boy, Fred. Another good boar, this one.
Gave us a bit of a run.
Oh, my hardest run I reckon I've ever done. So much blackberry. Look at my legs. Oh. Look at that. Yeah. Good boy, Fred. Good boy. Just carrying the other pig out as you saw, and then walking down the creek, and we hear the scoff, which grunts. Something grunts at us, and the dogs sprint right up there, and we're like, oh, we'll catch this one straight away. It was only about 300 metres away. I'm not even kidding, it would have taken half an hour.
Yeah.
Thickest gorse and blackberry. This is the clearest spot we've been in for the last half an hour. Nice boar though from the dogs. We're going to head out and call it quits.
Yeah.
Sam's just bringing out the boar we just caught. Now, how you going?
Very good.
Well, keep going. Down?
Yep.
Are we hitting a track now or not? We're going down.
We're about to get onto the bit of the grassy space. You right?
Get done video?
Yeah.
Yeah. One more go, one more flip over.
Right. Good lad. Good lad.
Just drop the boar off there. Gonna wander up the road and get the van. Head on out. It's been a good day.
Bad day, not bad day.
Good dogs. Good dogs.